Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I love what you drive. As you can see from the video, this is where we are under the car, and this is the reason we're here. I want to show you something. This is a new bolt from Dorman, which is the oil plug bolt or oil pan plug bolt, and I got this because I was concerned for the current one that I have doing a regular oil change, and I took off the bolt, and I'll show you in a minute why it is. The oil is already drained, but I did run to the store. Luckily I had another card that I could use and run to the store. So this is the new bolt, and this is the part number 090-053CD. It is a Dorman product, and it comes with this brand new bolt and this gasket. But I am gonna take that off and show you why I got this. And this video is more of maintenance or a preventative video. Why preventative? In other words, keep an eye on these things because you don't want to leak oil out when you're driving in a long trip or going somewhere, because your bolt is in the condition that I'm about to show you. So it's a 16 millimeter, and I believe mine is the original one. So I noticed right when I started to take off to unscrew the bolt that something felt a little different. First it was really tough, but then it got easier to take off. Okay, now let me show you. Okay, so here's the bolt, which is the original bolt. I'm not sure if you can see. I'm sure you can see it. It's just, look at this. So when I take it off, I noticed that the threads up here, pretty much towards the end of screwing the bolt on, they are all stripped. Now that really concerned me. First of all, I do my own oil changes. I have been. Second of all, I don't remember tightening it so hard that it would actually strip the threads. There is a trip that is coming up there is a trip that is coming up that it's about 2.5 hour drive, but when I was taking this off, it was really loose. Not loose, but it was really like very easy with zero effort. And I said, wow, that's not how it's supposed to be. So luckily I had another car. I did run to Advanced Auto Parts, is where I got this one. I think I paid $5.99 for this bolt, and it comes with this gasket as well. But this video is just to show, even though I put it back and it stopped the oil from leaking while I ran to the store, this is not at any way safe or recommended to be using it like this. There is a cheaper option. I think same bolt, for whatever reason, it's like $4.99. And there's also a different, like a quick release or quick drain bolt that they didn't have, which I wanted to buy, but this one will do. So keep an eye out on these small things that can cause big problems. The oil filter was changed, but I was just concerned because one, I'm surprised it didn't spring a leak. Two, I'm surprised it even held. Look at this, just shavings coming off. So one, I either have to do it less, or do it not tighten not as hard, or just keep an eye out. And preventative maintenance is what I call it, or what everybody calls it. So like I said, this Dorman bolt is part number 090-053CD. It says M14 1.5, and it's also 16 millimeters and should be just the right perfect fit. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the new bolt in, fill the oil, and call it a day. Let me put the camera back up there so we could just finish the process. First, we're gonna hand tighten it. Now the specs to tighten the bolt is 17 pounds foot. My torque wrench is at the other house, so I can't use it. So I'm gonna just hold my hand on the ratchet up here so I don't over tighten it, because if you hold it down here you have a lot of leverage and a lot more possibility to strip. So I'm just gonna snug it up. Snug, but not over tightening it. Okay. Wipe the oil and see if it leaks. I'm just glad that the oil pan did not strip the threads, because that would have been a fun one. Okay, looks good. We are now good to fill the oil, filter is changed, and continue on with the day. Check those bolts, folks. Check them so they don't end up looking like this, and then you have bigger issues if you drain or if your oil leaks out and you run your car dry, or you start spilling oil all over your driveway or somewhere in a long trip. Anyways, I think that'll do it for this one. I'll put all the info and all the part numbers inside the description box, and there we have it. A new plug, new gasket, and less worries and headaches. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.